Isn't reading just understanding the story?
That's only the beginning. To truly understand the text, you must also understand the word behind it.
You mean like the author's background?
Exactly, and more. Context includes the history, politics, culture, and the social conditions during the time it was written.
So the same text can be different things in different time?
Very good, Paolo. Yes, meaning changes depending on the context.
Can you give me some example, ma'am?
Okay, let's examine Noli Me Tangere by Dr. Rosenthal. So, class, when was Noli Me Tangere written?
It was during Spanish colonization.
Correct. It was published in 1887 while Rizal was in Europe. Why do you think he wrote it there instead of here?
Because it might be so dangerous.
Yes, freedom of speech was limited.
So the book was risky.
My country suffers in silence. If truth is forbidden, then truth must be written louder. These pages will speak for those who cannot speak.
Rizal wrote not for fame, but for a weak name. His pen became a weapon against injustice.
If they will not listen to our voices, they will read our pain.
Another day, another harvest by others. We work the land as we remain hungry.
Mang Tomas, how long has this been your life?
Since my fathers.
Your story must be told.
But who will listen?
Don't worry, the word will.
What is this gathering? Why are you complaining again?
Padre, we only ask for fairness.
Ask too much. Obey and be silent.
If you excuse us, Father, respect should not require silence.
And who are you to speak?
It is a Filipino who observe.
Then observe quietly.
Dr. Rizal, people are reading your ideas secretly.
Are they understanding them?
Yes, but they are fake.
Andres, fear has been taught for generations.
We rise to obey without questioning.
Good. Then education must replace fear.
Your book is doing that.
Jose Rizal! This book spreads rebellion! This book spreads truth. Truth! Truth that weakens authority!
It insults the church.
Padre, it only exposes corruption, not faith.
This book is banned.
But a bad truth is still a truth.
Ocean the mind of the idiots.
No, Padre. I open them. This book is the mirror of society. If the reflection is ugly, blame the cruelty, not the writer.
Doctor, your words give us courage.
Students are discussing freedom now.
For the first time, we feel seen.
Very good. Then the book has done its duty.
Ma'am, it differentiating it like that?
Without a context, it's just a novel. With context, it's a revolution.
Exactly. Context transforms interpretation.
So readers during Rizal's time would feel danger and hope.
Let's try this. If Rizal wrote it today, what would change?
Maybe social media instead of novels?
Online censorship instead of book banning.
Very good. Meaning changes with environment.
Understanding context differently.
Always ask, when was written? Why was it written? And who was affected?